Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change music on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and now create a new project or edit your existing project. Now here, as you can see, this is my existing project and I have already added my music and video. Now, to change the music, first remove the initial music by clicking on the music and you can see the delete option at the bottom menu. Click on it. Now there is no sound on this video. Now to add another music, click on sound. As you can see, these are free sounds. Choose any one you like. For example, I'll click on folk duck beat. Click on it. And just like that, we have added the new music. Now trim it according to your need. Just like that, and now play it. And just like that, we have changed the music on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.